What up, YouTube? FD White, aka Crypto Funds, back with another episode of Crypto Funds Invest. Welcome to the channel. So XRP, man, XRP, we held the fort. Looks like we're moving. I checked. I think I got in XRP at about 55 cents. This was in 2020. Finally back in profit, man. So I'm very, very happy about that. Very, very excited about that, being back in profit. But I think we have a lot more upside to come in the immediate short term. Of course, I think XRP is going to be bullish longer term. Of course, I think XRP is going to go up $2, $3, $4, $5. Not sure if I think it's going to go to those $10, $20, $30 numbers that a lot of people are talking about. But I definitely think it's going to do good. So right now, let's jump into the charts and see what I'm looking for in the immediate short term to keep this momentum going. Right now, XRP is kind of following my analysis. I wrote this about a couple of days ago. Said we needed to break out of this area here at about 56, 57 cent. We broke out of it finally. We're starting on the 4 hour. This is the top down analysis. So we're going to start from a higher time frame and go down. So this is the 4 hour, like I said, finally got above this 56, 57 area. So I'm looking for some sort of consolidation between 60 and 56 cent. So let's go back into some smaller time frames. Let's go actually to the 15, and we can see exactly what I'm looking for in order for us to start to go up to the top of this line here, the top of this downward sloping trend line, the top of our symmetrical triangle, and eventually hopefully break out of that. Actually, let's go to the 5 minute, because we're going to go zoom in a little bit more. So like I said, we broke out. We had a little fake out here, came back down, finally broke out, retest, if you can see that right there, finally broke out. Now we're flagging on the 5 minute. This is a bull pivot on the 5 minute. So I'm looking for us to move up to maybe around 62, 63 cent before we get some type of consolidation or a little bit of a pullback. We just want to hold this area here, this upper sloping trend line here on a smaller time frame at about 59 to 60 cent. Wherever we broke out here. So it's looking good. It's looking good. Like I said before, like I keep telling everybody on X, we have a lot of things that the SEC is losing. They just been losing. XRP is looking good because the SEC is looking bad. That's one of the reasons why XRP is pumping. The SEC has just been losing and losing battles for the past 2 years. So XRP's price appreciation is reflecting that. So like I said, in the short term, I'm looking for us to break out of this here. If we don't, then we'll probably just come down and retest the breakout at about 59 to 60 cent. This is on the 5 minute chart, 5 minute time frame. So these are shorter, the short term moves. So what I'll be looking for long term is for us to break. This is what I drew out, for us to eventually get up, break out of this 70 to 72 cent area, and then we can start our ascension back up to this 92 to a dollar mark. This is going to be heavy resistance. This block here, this orange block here, is going to be heavy resistance. A lot of people who are in profit or who have been holding are probably going to start selling a little bit at $1 if they got in, you know, where I got in. That's 2x from where they got in. So I don't think, well, I'm not selling. I'm definitely not selling at $1. But we also have that psychological aspect coming in, you know, when things, those big round numbers, those zeros come in, that dollar mark, a lot of people will probably start selling. Just like when we got the news last year that the sale of the XRP tokens at the beginning were commodity and not security, labeled as commodities and not securities. We got that pop to almost $1. Then we got that harsh, massive rejection from $1. So once we can reclaim this area here, we come up. Let's draw this a little bit more. If we can come out, let's see, can I tap that? And then we can, you know, start to move above this area here. I'm looking at us to blast maybe $2, $3 quick. Not like in a couple days or nothing like that, because, you know, XRP has a huge circulating supply and a huge market cap already. But eventually, I think eventually XRP will get to that $5 area. If we get mega bullish, I can see 10, you know, possibly some type of blow off top, but you know, $20-$30, I'm not seeing that. But you know, if you think, if your conviction for XRP is that strong, then you know, hold it and see what it can do. It's been standing the test of times this long. So you know, that's one of the things about XRP. We know XRP is not going anywhere. We know XRP is still the test of times. We know XRP will be around. We know XRP has a lot of partnerships and a lot of deals with some big entities. So we know XRP is not going anywhere. We know XRP will be around. So if this is something that a lot of people in crypto have been gravitating towards, is something where looks like we're breaking out already. So let me zoom back in. We're breaking out on the video. So we're currently breaking out of this bull flag like I predicted during the video. So looks like we're breaking out. Maybe we'll get a retest and then continue up. But XRP is looking good, man. XRP is looking good. We're actually pumping while I'm making a video. So we'll keep our eye out on XRP. Look out for that 72 cent mark. That is the line that we need to break. That is, let's actually go to the 4-hour. That is the huge resistance from the symmetrical triangle that we have been in for the past 3 years. It's huge symmetrical triangle that we've been in for the past few years. Let's actually go see if we can get a little bit more. Let's go to the 2-day, and then you can probably see it a little bit better. So this is that huge symmetrical triangle that we've been in since 2020. So once we break out of this, sky is the limit. Once we break out of this, sky is the limit. And the top of that is $2. So the lowest I think that we can get once we do break out of this symmetrical triangle is $2. But I think we'll surpass that, at least by double, at the least, in my humble opinion and my humble analysis and thesis. And that's all we really got to look out for XRP. XRP Army. We almost there. We just got to keep going, keep pushing, keep the good news coming in, keep the markets flowing, keep the markets bullish, and I think XRP is going to do good. Make sure you hit that like, make sure you hit that subscribe, especially all my people in the XRP Army and the XRP community. Stay the fort. Congratulations. Looks like we're moving. Looks like we're going to pump, and I will talk to you in the next video. Peace.